Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 and disconnect any external devices. Next, flip the laptop over and remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel away from the chassis. Be cautious not to damage any clips in the process. With the back cover removed, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the display cable. It's usually connected to the motherboard. If it appears loose or damaged, this could be the source of your screen issue. Gently disconnect the cable and inspect it for any visible damage. If you notice any fraying or tears, it may need replacement. If you're not comfortable handling these repairs yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation for you. Before continuing, take a moment to carefully clean any dust or debris from inside the laptop using the microfiber cloth. This will help prevent overheating and improve overall performance. Now, let's check the display assembly. If the screen itself is cracked or showing color distortions, consider replacing the entire display panel. To do this, you'll need to remove the screws that secure the display hinges. Carefully lift the screen away from the base and disconnect the display cable if necessary. If you don't have the tools or expertise to handle this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop anywhere. Once you have the new screen, reconnect the display cable and secure it back in place with the screws. After you've replaced or repaired the necessary components, reattach the back panel by aligning it with the chassis and pressing down until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws, making sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your laptop to check if the screen issue is resolved. If not, it might be time to seek professional help. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to know the potential costs involved. By following these steps, you can tackle the common screen issues of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 effectively. For those who prefer not to attempt repairs themselves, our services ensure no calls, no travel, and a straightforward solution to get your laptop back in working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.